I want to tell you something जो तुम्हें कोई नहीं बताएगा. Not your school, not your parents, and definitely not your friends. You are living the most important years of your life right now. And most of the लोगों की आंखें खुली है, but they are not really seeing anything. Just moving, no awareness, no direction. कड़वा है पर सच है. और मैं ये इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैंने भी ये गलतियां की हैं. I wasted my teenage years and now I'm seeing an entire generation doing the same thing, except you guys have it worse क्योंकि तुम्हारे पास सोशल मीडिया है, which is designed by billion-dollar companies whose only job is to keep you hooked every single day. And you think you have time. I'm only 16. I'm only 18. I'll get serious later. That's the trap. Because one day you will wake up at 25, look back and will say, where did all these years go? 5 things जो कोई नहीं बताएगा तुम्हें. Not your teachers, not your friends, and not even your closest friend. And if you actually accept this today, you will think differently from 99% of people your age. Let's go. First thing, your brain is being hijacked and you don't even know it. तुम आलसी नहीं हो. You are not broken, but you are being manipulated. Every app on your phone, either Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, these were built by the smartest brain, smartest engineers in the world with one single goal: keep you scrolling as long as possible. हर बार जब कोई लाइक आता है, कोई कमेंट आता है या फिर तुम्हारी कोई वीडियो वायरल हो जाती है, then your brain releases the dopamine, the same chemical जो ड्रग्स लेने के बाद रिलीज होता है. एंड योर ब्रेन स्टार्ट्स क्रेविंग दैट फीलिंग मोर एंड मोर एंड मोर. मीनवाइल योर एबिलिटी टू फोकस इज गेटिंग डिस्ट्रॉयड. सिटिंग डाउन 30 मिनट्स टू स्टडी इम्पॉसिबल सा लगता है बिकॉज योर ब्रेन इज वायर्ड फॉर 15 सेकेंड हिट्स. तो क्या करें? डिलीट दिस सोशल मीडिया एप्स सीरियसली, या फिर कम से कम सेट अ डेली लिमिट, approx 30 minutes, and actually stick to it. Take back your attention. It's the most valuable thing you hold right now. Second thing, nobody is coming to save you. तुम्हारे parents तुमसे प्यार करते हैं, तुम्हारे teachers तुम्हारी care करते हैं, but at the end of the day, nobody is going to build your life for you. You think someone is going to show up to you and give you the success, motivation, or a clear path. Never. That's not how it works. If you want something, better grades, a skill, a body you are proud of, real confidence, you have to get these by yourself. और वो चीज करना होगा जब कोई नहीं देख रहा होगा. When it's hard, जब तुम्हारे दोस्त बाहर enjoy कर रहे हैं और तुम घर पे खुद पे काम कर रहे हो. I know that sounds lonely, but that's the secret. That's exactly where you will become someone different. Someone which most people will never become. Third thing, and this will hurt a little, but you need to hear it. Look at your closest friends. Really, look at them. Are they going somewhere? Do they have goals? Are they pushing themselves? या बस वो चल रहे हैं, playing video games every night, talking about doing things but never actually doing them. और जो लोग actually try करते हैं कुछ, उन्हें वो mock करते हैं because it makes them feel better for not trying. Jim Rohn ने कहा था, You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. And it's true. अगर तुम्हारे आसपास ऐसे लोग हैं जिनका कोई ambition नहीं है, no drive, no vision, तो तुम वो energy absorb करते हो whether you realize it or not. मैं नहीं बोल रहा कि अपने दोस्तों को छोड़ दो, but I'm saying be honest. कौन तुम्हें ऊपर उठा रहा है और कौन नीचे खींच रहा है. Find at least one person who is ahead of you. Someone doing better in studies, in the gym, in building something. Spend more time with them. Get around people who make you feel to level up. Fourth thing, you don't actually want it. You just like the idea of it. Everyone wants abs. Everyone wants top grades. Everyone wants to be confident, successful, respected. But nobody wants to do those boring, hard, unglamorous work which actually take you there. Most of the people fall in love with the result and hate the process. That's why they never get anywhere. Get brutally honest with yourself. Write down one goal and then write everything you have to do to actually get there. It's that simple. And then ask yourself honestly, do I actually want to do this? रोज बिना किसी गारंटी के. If yes, then you are ready. और अगर नहीं, तो तुम सिर्फ आइडिया के साथ प्यार में हो, रियलिटी से नहीं। फिफ्थ थिंग, एंड दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट वन, योर टीनेज ईयर्स। ये तुम्हारा सबसे बड़ा इन्वेस्टमेंट पीरियड है। देयर समथिंग यू हैव राइट नाउ जो बाद में कभी नहीं होगा। यू हैव टाइम राइट नाउ एंड जीरो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज। कोई EMI नहीं है, नो किड्स, नो वर्क प्रेशर, यू ऑलरेडी हैव फूड एंड शेल्टर। राइट नाउ you could spend 2 to 3 hours every single day learning a skill. Either it could be coding, video editing, writing or building something online. And by the time you are 20 or 25, तुम बाकी सबसे बहुत आगे निकल चुके होगे and your future self will thank you. Look, I know it wasn't an easy video to watch. Nobody wants to hear the hard truths. कोई नहीं सुनना चाहता, बट मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि आई जेन्युइनली केयर, नॉट अबाउट लाइक्स और व्यूज, बट यू, फॉर द पोटेंशियल दैट्स सिटिंग इनसाइड यू, जो तुम खुद अभी रियलाइज नहीं कर रहे हो। दीज इयर्स मैटर, जो तुम अभी कर रहे हो, इट्स सेटिंग अप द रेस्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ। कमेंट में बताओ विच ट्रूथ हिट यू द हार्डेस्ट, एंड इफ यू आर सीरियस about changing, then subscribe. I share meaningful insights to help you become what you are actually capable of. अब जाओ और कुछ करो, something that your future self will thank you for.